back today with another video, and as you can see, your girl is fresh faced, and I have this towel on my head because I just washed my hair, because I promised you all that I would do some styling tutorials on my pixie cut. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sherelle, and I hope you enjoy what you see. And if you like what you see, towards the end of this video, please make sure to hit that like button and also the subscribe button. If you are subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I didn't show you guys what I use to wash my hair because I can do that in another video. I do have plans today. It's Saturday. If you guys hear any noise, I believe they are cutting grass, so hopefully my mic doesn't pick up all that stuff. But I do have all of the products that I am going to be using today. I'm going to make sure to leave all of the links down below. So let's get into styling this hair. So this is what it is looking like. I made sure to scrub it good. As you can see, I did end up cutting the front of this shorter. If you haven't checked out I cut my hair video, I'll make sure to leave that link down below also for you guys. But it's detangled, it feels good. I am due for a touch-up next week, so I don't really want to do too much to my hair, but my honey is taking me out tonight to go see a movie, so I just want to make sure that everything is good. So just gonna comb through it real quick, make sure there's no tangles or anything going on. I mean, how much tangling can I get? I ain't got much hair, but look at it. The first product that I'm going to use in my head is this leave-in conditioner, and I was using another leave-in conditioner at first, but I felt like it was just like a bit too heavy. Because I haven't rocked a short cut in years, it's like I'm learning all over again exactly what I like and what products to put in it. And I found this off of Instagram, curling hairstylist pages that specialize in short cuts. So you'll be seeing this particular brand a lot in the video. And I just got this in the mail the other day, so it smells clean. It doesn't smell too heavy, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit, not too much, but just enough to coat my hair. Oil from a company called Pixie-ish, and this is called Pixie Polish, and it says it adds sheen, it's lightweight, and it's used as a heat protectant. My husband broke my top, y'all, so half of it was spilled. Lucky to save the other half, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hand, not too much because I don't like for my hair to feel way down. I mean, it's already short, so who wants it to feel heavy and look oily? So the next product I'm going to be using is this honey almond styling foam. Y'all, I love this stuff. It smells so good. Now, if I have like a fresh touch up, I won't use this. I'll use something a little bit softer like my Robe. But for this, I like to use this when I'm like in between and I need the back of this to lay it down. Now, you can use this all the time, but I like to kind of switch up between the two. Just depends on how I feel. But I love this stuff. Now, the best part of having a pixie cut is just kind of playing around with the style that you want. Now, usually I would rock like a part or something like that, but I don't know if I really want to focus on a part today. Now, I'm going to be going back and forth between my rat tail comb and my wide tooth comb, but I definitely want to make sure I keep some hair like going towards the front. That's just how I like to rock mine. I'm not gonna focus on too much detail today. I just need to look a little bit more put together because I've been rocking a hat all week because I've been so busy. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this. I'm pretty generous with this, okay? Pretty generous. I am not scared to use the mousse. Okay, so this is what it is looking like now before I go in and mold it. I'm just gonna take my comb and just kind of comb everything down. Make sure it's nice and flat. So now I'm just going to create some little swoops over here. This is what it is looking like right now. I did have to go over a few little areas that I kind of wanted to touch up, just adding a little bit more mousse. And now I'm just gonna go in with my styling strips. So I like to put one right here first, like in the middle. Okay, just kind of press that in while it's still a little wet. And then I go right here. And then I'm going to go right here and tie it up. I like to kind of cut that down. Just get it out the way. And then just make sure that everything is nice and covered so that I can sit under the dryer. I do have a big hooded dryer, but it doesn't come down low enough for me. So I invested in this golden hot dryer. I feel like it's just like a little bit more compact. I got this off of Target, and I like that you can just kind of slide it into small spaces. So you just kind of open up the side, and then you pull out the cord, and then you pull out the cap, and then you pull out this piece, and you attach it to the cap. So it just kind of screws on, and it just kind of click it in place. And then I just place this on my head. It does have this little drawstring area also, so you can make sure that it stays on your head. Also, there are 4 settings on this dryer. There's cool, low, medium, and high. I usually just keep it on medium, but as I get towards the end, I do like to use a little bit of the cool air. Under the dryer, I just like to make sure I have like a book or something to read, a movie, whatever, just because it does take a little while. And I like to make sure that everything is dried down. So I'm just gonna place this cap on my head. Now, when you first get this, to me, it stinks because of this plastic, but I've used this a few times and I'm pretty pleased with it. I just like to tighten that up because I want everything to be dried down. I have this little towel to kind of keep on the back of my neck when it starts to get a little bit too hot. So yeah, I'm just gonna place this on and I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Fully dried down. I went ahead and had lunch and everything. I started at 1:56, it's 3:12 now, and I kept it on for a little bit longer just because I was eating. But that's the one thing I hate, is sitting under the dryer, just because, you know, it takes a while. But I only wash my hair and style it 1 time a week, so yeah. But now I'm just gonna remove everything and see how it's looking. Looking good so far. Looking good. Now, to style my hair, I'm gonna go in with this Pixie-ish Beauty flat iron, and I purchased this off the website. When I purchased the oil, I also purchased some wax and some moisturizer, and I'll show that like over time as I'm styling my hair throughout the week, or just showing you guys how I prepared and lay it down throughout the week. But I purchased this one because I was looking on Amazon after I got my hair cut, and the ones on Amazon, you weren't able to control the temperature, and a lot of people were saying you can burn your hair and damage your hair, and I didn't want that at all. So I decided to get this one because I can control the temperature. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and I like to put it at like 385 because it doesn't take much. And if I need a little bit more, I'll only go up to like 400. So I'm just gonna let this heat up, and then I'm gonna break my mold by using a little bit more of this Pixie Polish. I'm gonna be heavy with it, just a little bit. I just run that throughout my hair before I add any more heat. seen what the back look like. I'm usually a little bit neater with the way that I part, but I ain't gonna worry about it too much today. So next I'm gonna go in with this firm holding spray from the same company that I got the mousse from. This is my first time using this, but I don't want to put too much on, but just enough to lightly hold it. Plus, like I said, I want to make this last until it's time for my next appointment. And then I'm gonna place this on top, well on the side, just to kind of hold everything into place until it's time for me to get dressed. Doing any makeup, I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss. It's a real casual night tonight because we're gonna see a scary movie, you know. So I'll make sure to give you guys a little video of how the look all comes together, but I ain't supposed to be doing too much, especially because it's a little bit rainy outside. But yeah, I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on. That this doesn't have a heavy smell to it because I hate heavy smells in my hair. But after I'm done with that and it's dried down, yeah, it has a nice little hole. It doesn't feel too harsh at all. And I'm just gonna put this little mesh cap on because I don't want to mess anything up, because I'll just probably lay around until it is time to go. So I'm gonna do that. I ain't gonna do it too hard, and why? What you guys think about the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am loving the short hair. I am embracing it, and I'm very happy with it. I don't see me growing it out anytime soon. But if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to share, leave some love in the comment section. I'll also make sure once again to leave all the links down below to all the products that I used today, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye guys.